Hey guys, it's me Super Bryce, and today I'm going to be fighting Red in Pokemon Soul Silver. Yes, so I fought Red the first time, but I didn't record, so I'm going to do it the second time. So let's go. ... Too many dots. Versus Red. Did you say that? Good job. Now it's on their foot again. Oh no. I'm just gonna stop talking and let y'all watch this, okay? No. Sorry, I just had to see it. Because that's my favorite Pokemon. Stay alive, please. No. Ha. Wait. One sec. Okay. This might seem odd, but I'm about to do a little trick. But now I can switch in the Pikachu without taking any damage. And because Pikachu can't faint either. So this is why I did that. That's my little trick. You see? Now I can get the first hit. Boom! Well, I'm gonna send that type version defense. I'll send out someone so I can use it as a Pokemon to revive, whatever. Heart Gold, but I'm gonna just use this and use Blaster. High Flotation is more high level than Heart Gold. Heart Gold is lower. And boom! Oh, so damn close. Come on, Typhlosion. Yes. Now this tail should take out Venusaur. Just saying. Boom. Wait, it's alive? Holy moly. I mean, look, it looks like it's 0 health. Now this should take it out. Boom. Hell takes the Pokemon out. Well, I'm gonna send out Arceus since I don't know what to send out. Oh, Lapras. Well, I'm going to use that trick again. It's just this time I'm going to revive. I'm going to revive Graveler. And then I'm going to send him out. And then I'll switch out with Pikachu. Surprisingly, Lapras don't get hurt by hail. Yeah. As you see. Now let's send that Graveler. So I can send out Pikachu. I don't get, well, I kind of get it. You know that whenever you send out Pokemon and they're low on health or on a status condition, in this game, or in other games that's not in the kind of new Pokemon games. I don't know where it stopped, but in these games, they would play their cry a little bit, you know, lower pitch, I guess. Now, see, I'm gonna send out Pikachu. No! Son of a gun. How? How? Whatever, Pikachu just has to take damage, I guess. Sorry, I really must have not been looking at the screen. Oh, good. Stay alive, Pikachu. You're 94. You're level 94. You can stay alive now. Good job. I'm gonna full heal Pikachu. Or not. You know what? Use Thunderbolt. Yes. I got the attack. It should hopefully take out his Lapras. And if it doesn't, I'll just have to use a full revive on him. No! Whatever, Arceus can take it out. I mean, literally, Arceus can take this out. This like, really strong. Shoot! I hit this. Sorry about that. Where's Arceus? There it is. I think this is Arceus in Japanese. Judgment. Oh, come on. Well, it's time to get a revive on Pikachu and pull it for him. And this time I'm going to be more careful. And I'm going to stand up with a Golem and Growler. Unless this takes his Lapras out. Oh no, it doesn't take it. Okay. Revive on Pikachu. And I use a full restore on him. And a revive on Graveler, which might take Arceus out. Or it depends. I'm gonna first use a revive on freaking Graveler. See, my Arceus is about that thing. But just in case I can use revive on Growler, just in case I need to use a revive on anyone or something. Because Arceus is gonna, faint, as you see. But instead of just switching out with Graveler, I'm going to switch out with Pikachu. Right. Thunderbolt. We should take it out. Boom. Of course, Growler's gonna level up, gosh dang. No. No, you're not self-destructing. This might take a little bit. Okay, thank goodness. I only use Growler for most of the HM guy. Okay, well this is where we're gonna need Arceus, so I'm gonna use a revive on Arceus. As the Snorlax is gonna basically be a normal type. So I don't think normal types really have much of a weakness that I have, and I don't know their weakness. So instead, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a revive on Arceus, and then we're gonna send him out, and we're gonna hope that we win. He's a level 100 anyway. So yeah, he should win. I thought it said that pose, like he's good, and I was like, what? No, it's not like it's gonna be hurt by here, like you see. Go freaking Arceus. Now I'm gonna use a sorry about that. That's fun ringing. And oh my gosh, I keep moving the DS, gosh. And the camera. I'm gonna use a full restore on Arceus so I don't, faint. Anyways, I'm gonna use special ring first. And then I'll use shadow first. Bro, look how much damage that took from him. Just a teabit. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this Snorlax. Now this is one of the great moves, because now no move can hurt me. Oh wow. Now, it doesn't affect. Well see, the thing is after Shadow Force, then they get to use another move, which is crap. Well, I guess I'll have to take him out the old way with the special wind and, After this move, once he attacks one more time, I'm going to use a full restore so I won't faint. Well, you never know. You can't. I hope not. Good job. Now I'm going to use a full restore on him. Hope he fainted. Why don't Snorlax faint? Let's use Pikachu. Before you can get the first move. Yes. Now Snorlax will faint. Boom. I like how Snorlax's cry is so quick. Now let's see what's next. Charizard. Okay, I'm gonna send out Soul Silver, which is a Lugia, which knows Hydro Pump. That's why I'm sending it out. This is the last Pokemon, guys. Now my boy Lugia is a boss. He is a boss. Flare Bit does not really hurt him. Or it might. Depending on how much damage the move does to him, I'm going to have to, hit, I'm going to have to use a full restore on him. But, I think he's a boss and can handle everything. We'll see what he's saying. Hydro Pump. I think we won. Oh dang, his last Pokemon was quick. See? Lugia is a boss. Boom. I defeated Trainer Red. ... Too many dots. And he disappears. Okay guys. Here's what you want to do if you want to battle Red. You want to, first of all, you're going to want to go and, you're going to want to go beat the Elite Four again after you fought Red the first time. You want to beat the Elite Four and Lance again. And then go back to Mount Silver and you'll be there. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.